Save selected pages of a Word document as PDF. Hi, this is ExtendOffice. Today, we'll learn how to export only the selected content of a Word document to a PDF file. We can use the built-in Save As function. First, select the content you want to export as a PDF. Click File, Save As. Select PDF. Click More Options. In the pop-up window, click the Options button and select the Selection option. Now, you can name the PDF file and select a different path to save it. Once done, click Save. Kutools for Word enables you to quickly export selected pages to PDF or other file types. First, select the contents. Click Kutools Plus. More. Export Range to File. In the Export Range to File dialog, click this button to select a folder to save the exported file. Choose the file type you want to save as, and choose if you want to keep the original formatting. Once done, click OK. Now, name the exported file in the popping up dialog and click OK. To download Kutools for Word, find the download link in the video description or on our website. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.